Meaning of doodle.
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 Doodle. Doodle refers to a casual or spontaneous drawing or sketch, typically done absent-mindedly. The resulting artwork is often simple, freeform and lacks structure or detail. Doodles can be made using various mediums such as pen, pencil, markers, and digital tools. They are often used as a means of personal expression, stress relief, and creativity. Despite their apparent simplicity, doodles have gained widespread recognition and appreciation as an art form, with many artists showcasing their works in exhibitions and galleries around the world.